Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you a cutout flip transition. So this one combines two transitions, but we don't have to do it manually, it's inbuilt. Let me add two clips here and I cut them a little bit short using the split tool B in the same video channel so that we have a jump cut. I go to transitions, open a drop down distortion. You have to scroll a little bit, but here's the cutout flip. Download it, then drag and drop it onto the transition position. That's basically all there is. You can see you get a little bit of a fragment due to the cutout. So you don't want to make it too long. You can go up to 2.2 seconds, but that doesn't look good with the fragments. So I would advise you to not go higher than a second. In this case, I would even go lower, 2.5. So depending on the footage that you've got, you're a little bit limited with the duration due to the cutout. But if you're fine with a shorter transition, this works for everything. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.